disconnect the battery. Use a 10mm socket, loosen this terminal up, take the negative terminal off, and put it to the side. Take this cover off, remove the oil cap, slide the cover up. It just pops off. There's some grommets that hold it down. And just so you don't drop anything in there, put the oil cap back on. Disconnect this connector right here. There should be a little tab to push down on it. This vehicle, it's broken. You might have a lock tab, slide that lock tab out and disconnect the connector. Mass airflow sensor, disconnect this, push down on the tab and slide it off. And slide the wiring harness out of the way. Take a T25 and loosen up all these screws around the airbox. With all those loose, there is a clip right here. Just pop that clip off. Now loosen up these worm clamps. Use a 7mm socket or a straight blade screwdriver. Now we can slide this snorkel off and pull the airbox up. And slide the snorkel off the throttle body and disconnect this hose right here. Or if you're having trouble right there, you can disconnect it over here. Just slide it off. And you can just grab the airbox and slide it up and slide it out, just like that. Disconnect this connector right here. Just push down on the tab and slide it out. Now take a 10mm socket and take all 4 of these bolts out. And slide the throttle body out. Take a pick and take this gasket off. Slide that off. Take this new one. And just slide it in position. Now line the throttle body up. Take the bolts, get them lined up. Get them all started. And snug these down. Now we're going to torque these to 89 inch-pounds. Just go around again, double check. Yep, it's good. Now connect the connector, push down the retainer, slide the connector in place and lock it down. And reinstall the airbox. Just line it up. Good like that. Now line the snorkel up, put that in position, and put this hose back on. Take the top of the airbox, line the hinge side up first. And slide it down. And attach it to the snorkel. Make sure all the bolts line up. You can attach this clip on the back side right there, and then you can tighten all these screws down. And just snug them down, not too tight. Tighten down the worm clamps. Now connect the connector right here, lock it down, and the mass airflow sensor. Lock it down. Now take this engine cover, remove the oil cap, line it back up. Push it down and replace the cap. Connect the battery, the negative terminal, and snug it down. Just make sure it's tight. That's good. When you replace the throttle body, you need to do an idle relearn procedure with a scan tool. After that, let the engine idle, make sure it's idling normally, drive it around in parking lot situations first, and make sure it's good.